How to use Salon Pro Hard Wax. Remove lid by twisting counterclockwise. Option 1. Heating in the microwave first. Place wax jar off-center in the microwave. Heat for a minimum of 2 minutes, but no longer than 4 minutes. Check the wax consistency, and if needed, heat for a further 10 seconds at a time until wax is a thick honey consistency. Plug in your wax heater and switch on the power. Place wax jar into heater and turn dial between 3 and 4 to keep wax consistency of thick honey. The second heating option is placing the Salon Pro wax jar directly into the wax heater and turning the dial to 6. Wait 30 minutes for the wax to heat, and once the wax drips like thick honey, the ideal working consistency, turn the dial between 3 and 4. Before waxing, test a small drip of wax on the wrist to make sure the wax is not too hot. You're now ready to wax. Coat a generous amount of wax onto the spatula, taking wax from the core section of the tub while swirling at a steady pace. Spread a thick, oval-shaped layer of hard wax in the direction of the hair growth, leaving a lip on the outsides of your wax, which is the thicker rim. Wait 15 to 20 seconds. The wax is ready to be removed when it no longer sticks to the fingertips. Ensure the skin is taut either by tightening your muscles or by holding the skin firmly with one hand. Hold on to the edge of the wax and quickly pull in the opposite direction of hair growth, as close to the skin as possible. Repeat process until all hair is removed, remembering to apply with the hair growth. Wait 15 to 20 seconds and then grip on the edge and pull quickly in the opposite direction of the hair growth. If there is any wax residue left on the skin, this can be removed by a preferred oil-based solution. And finish off with our Waxxie Aftercare Lotion for a smooth result.